somebody shake their hand with an attitude and tell them it's a turnaround issue. It's already done. Come on and receive the full Gospel Baptist Church Fellowship International